quite a day, huh, Black Dog? Yeah, that was really hard. Yeah. Too bad I lost just in second place. It was so cool how you did that green cannon, like pew pew, and then like you. Wait, who were you battling in the semifinals? I think, yeah, it was an Arky. Yeah. Yes, it was me. I lost. I'm in third place. Yeah. But I don't really like being in third place. At least I'm in first place for winning against all of you. Well, not all, you know. You didn't fight everyone. I don't really know. You remember, Dino? How like I was gonna punch you in the face and then your head just went, you know, your head disappeared. You know how you did that. Remember the dragon we fought? It isn't really a Hydra, it's a 3-headed dragon, you know. Yeah, that was cool. That was a surprise for you, right? Yeah, I thought you were dead. Jeez. Okay. So now what do we do? I think I'm gonna go now. Okay. Yeah. Just supercar, you put a number on me. Okay. Oh. Gonna go. Oh wait, I got an idea first. What if we do tournament again? See who's the strongest. Okay. First, let's get our health back. Oh, curse word.